Climbing the Ladder, an introduction to ordinal numbers. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our ongoing series on English grammar fundamentals. In today's lesson, we'll dive deep into a fascinating part of our language: ordinal numbers. Remember, you can always revisit this video to brush up on these important concepts. Ordinal numbers are numbers that tell us about the order or position of things in a series. They are distinct from cardinal numbers, which tell us how many of something there are. Ordinal numbers include words like first, second, third, and so on. They are all about sequence and arrangement. In English, we generally form ordinal numbers by adding th to the end of a cardinal number. For example, 5 becomes 5th, and 20 becomes 20th. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. The numbers 1, 2, and 3 become first, second, and third, respectively. Also, for numbers ending in 1, 2, and 3, except for the numbers 11, 12, and 13, we use street, nd, and road instead of th. For instance, 21 becomes 21st, 32 becomes 32nd, and 43 becomes 43rd. We use ordinal numbers in sentences where we want to express the position or order of an object or person. For example, you might say, "This is my second cup of coffee today," or "She finished third in the race." We also use ordinal numbers to talk about dates in English. For instance, we say January 1st for January 1st, or October 31st for October 31st. One common mistake with ordinal numbers is forgetting to use the before the ordinal number when it's needed. For instance, we should say, "I'm the third person in line," not, "I'm third person in line." Remember, when referring to a specific place in order, always use the before the ordinal number. And that wraps up our introduction to ordinal numbers. We hope you found this lesson helpful. With practice, you'll get the hang of using ordinal numbers in no time. Remember, English learning is a journey, and every step, or rather every ordinal number, counts. Happy learning!